Hey guys, Richard here, freedomlifenow.com. How's it going? I'm driving here, so I figured I would take out my my camera and shoot a quick video for you guys. Picked up my Frappuccino. I think it's good. From Starbucks here. So I want to talk about the best advice for newbie publishers. First getting started. You're watching this video, you're like, yes, I want to grow passive income. I want to start my self-publishing business. You've seen all the success, maybe you've seen us posting, me talking about it, how it's the greatest, fastest, easiest way from all online businesses to grow a passive income online. And you're like, yes, that's me, I'm gonna go, I'm getting started. So what now? And excuse me, the best advice that I can give for you newbie publishers out there is, for one, don't try to go it alone. So the step one is get a step-by-step course that can teach you every step of the way. Don't try to learn it on your own, because what you're going to find, you don't know what you don't know, right? And this is why you should find a coach, find a mentor, whether it's me or someone else, someone to run with, someone to learn step by step from, because you don't know what you don't know, and you're investing money and time into something, and you want to have the best probability of success as soon as possible. And you don't want to have to, learn all the mistakes yourself, because that's just going to cost you time and cost you money. And what you're going to do is, by making those mistakes, it's just going to cost you failures in that investment into the new books that you have, into the time. It's going to cause you frustration. And this is what causes some people to quit before they ever succeed, because it would have just been so much more worth it just to get that course and invest on themselves on the front end, rather than wasting that money with mistakes. Does that make sense? So one of the best things, when I'm learning something new, I just bought another course. I bought another 2 courses the other day on different things. They're not related to publishing. Anytime I'm trying to learn something new, I find someone that has the results there, and I get their course. That's how I learn anything. That's how, I built even my career. I built it with video courses. Even when I was in IT and built my full career, as like certifications, I bought several different video courses for that. So I'm always learning from courses, step-by-step proven systems, and that's why I get results in things that I do, because I learn from people that have the fruit on the tree and are getting the results, and they've created a step-by-step method that you can just commit to and you just follow, and that's how you can fast-track your results. And so that's my first big tip for newbie publishers: is the best investment you can ever make is in yourself. So, and the next tip is just follow the course, follow your mentor, and just get to work. Don't overanalyze things. Once you get your action plan, then go after it. You're gonna get to the 500. You're first to the 500 to 1,000 a month. You're gonna get there. Just keep going. Then you're gonna go to 2,000. 3,000, you scale up. Once you break through, that's the biggest part. I remember when I made my first sale online, and it was my first passive income, actually, of $500. I remember that to this day. And then I remember when I had my first breakthrough in publishing, and had my first, it was over $500, like $570 something a month, and my first ever month of making money, when I was still, some of my other books were still in the process of going live, so they weren't even all live yet. But I made this first paycheck in passive income, and oh my gosh, that feeling was absolutely incredible. And you're gonna have that, and then that's coming really soon for you. It's just a matter of time if you just put in the action and the work. So don't sit there and overanalyze things. Get the game plan with your coach, with your mentor, or if you're in a course, just follow it step by step. Just put the action in, and regardless if it's the first book, second, third, or fourth, just keep going, and you're gonna break through. As long as you don't quit, you win, right? That's the thing. As long as you don't quit and you just keep going after it, you're gonna win. And some people break through on their first book. Some people might not have their big breakthrough until their third, fourth book. Whatever. It's okay. Whatever. And hey, when you get there, you get there, right? And then you're there. And then it's all a matter of scaling up. You just scale it up from there. And that's how you go from making the 500 to 1,000 to 1,500, 2,000. That's how we scaled up and had the month of over $6,600. And now we've had a ton of new things in the work. works to take us over 10K, and then it's just scaling up over from there, and it's just diversifying, and that just gives you options. It gives you freedom. So the next big advice, like I was saying, is just put in the time, put in the work. Don't overanalyze things. You're gonna get there. Just trust the process, which leads to the next thing of just that, don't get so caught up in the end result. Love the process. Love the process. Love that you're actually doing the work and you're taking massive action to achieve your goals and your freedom. Let that be so exciting for you that you just love the journey. You love even the little failures, the learning experiences, because you know that that's getting you that much closer to the results and your success, right? So just love the process. That's the key to success, guys. Don't be so attached to the result. The result's gonna come. You're gonna get there. It's gonna happen. If you just don't quit and you just keep putting the books out, you keep putting the products out, right, onto the market. These are products, these are assets online that you're putting up there, that once they're online, they generate that passive income over and over and over again for the life of that product, however long that particular book, ebook, audiobook, paperback, whatever the life of that product is, for as long as it's online and it's up there, it's going to generate, it's an asset that's going to generate you that passive income. And so all it is about perfecting that process and getting good at that, and you do that as you go. You'll just get more and more assets on the market, if you will, assets that are out there generating this money machine for you, generating this revenue, this passive income. So with that, guys, that was the thing, is just to enjoy it, love the process, and you're gonna get there. You're gonna see then your income. If you just focus on that month after month, you keep pumping your new books out, focus on the highest leverage activity each time. Like, hey, what's the most important step in my publishing business right now? What are the most important 2 or 3 things I need to work on getting live now? And then you focus on those. Then it's the next 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 things, and you just keep going. Or maybe it's that you're doing, 2 books at a time, then you get those through, and the next 2, whatever your process is going to be, just keep going at it. And you're going to find month after month, all of a sudden, you're increasing. It may take a month or 2 for you to get it going, and that's okay. Don't compare yourself to other people. You have your own journey. Then that leads to the next tip. Stop comparing yourself to other people. You have your own journey. You have your own process right now. You have your own thing. And as long as at the end of it's not about other people. This is about you. This is about your journey, right? So it doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter what I do for you, but right? It doesn't matter what I do in my results, right? From as far as you're concerned, is what I'm saying is focus on you. You don't have to compare yourself to other people. Just focus on your journey. Focus on your path. Focus on where you're going, right? Regardless, and you're gonna get there, right? It doesn't matter if it takes you 4 months, 5 months. When you're there, you're there. And then you get to just scale up and improve every single month. And you get to have your own journey with it and increase. And that's super exciting. And that's really free. When you stop caring about what other people think, or that you have to compare yourself to other people, that gives you so much more freedom. Just freedom to have your own journey with it and to go after it. And that's what I encourage you to do. Love the process and have your own journey. Quit comparing yourself, and just month after month get the new stuff live, and keep working on that next thing, that whatever your plan is with your course or with your coach or mentor, just keep doing that. Keep doing that. And then each month you have a new baseline to work from. You have a new place to work from, and you can just keep building up from there. So guys, I hope that was super helpful. Just take massive action, and I'll leave you with one more tip, and that is just always identify the highest leverage activity that you can take the most massive action on right now to get to your goal. And if you're saying, hey, I'm someone that I don't really even have money, then your action should be go get a second job. Or I have a coaching client right now, about to be a new coaching client. They're out, they just got a second job in order just to get investment money. And I was there but years ago, before when I started a business, I went out and just bought and sold stuff, and just anything, random things. I bought and sold a car. I went out and I used to get these Xbox 360s that had that red ring of death, right? And I watched YouTube videos. I didn't even know how to fix them, but I learned how to fix them on a YouTube video, and I started buying broken ones off of Craigslist and eBay, fixing them and reselling them on Craigslist and things like that, and I made all this this money to then invest in my business. And that's how I got started in my initial businesses, right? And I got my investment money. So guys, it's about being resourceful. So that's that last tip I'll leave you with, is be resourceful. The highest leverage activities where you get that'll actually get you where you need to be, and get you where you're going and on the right path. And you'll get there. Just put in the time, put in the work, and it's just a matter of time at that point, guys. So it's inevitable, right? So guys, I'm at my destination. So with that, guys, I hope it was super inspiring for you. Get access to the free toolkit, the training we have on our website, freedomlifenow.com, and I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.